Hey there everybody, welcome back to another episode of Hoppin' To It with Bill Jr. Today I'm actually out on site and I thought this would be a fun way to do this week's episode because I'm out at a home for a family who noticed that they had some blown off shingles laying down in their yard and they were concerned. So this is a really common problem and it's a confusing process for a lot of homeowners, and that's why we have a specialized program and team that comes out and inspects your home and will actually help you and guide you through the process. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to take you on a tour of the roof and show you some examples of some actual storm damage. So, all right, everybody. So as you'll see, we're out here and I'm up on a roof. And when we're out on a roof, I'm going to bring you down and show you what we're looking for. This homeowner called us out because he noticed some blown off shingles in his yard. Okay. And this is what we're looking for. So when you see those tears, that's a clear indication of storm damage. So when we had some high winds come through, ripping through here, this roof had the seals break on those shingles, and then the wind actually ripped and cracked those shingles up and off. Now the reason you see the yellow on there is our way to work with your insurance industry or your insurance provider to make sure they understand and can easily document and identify what shingles are damaged. And what you'll see here is another indication. And so on this home and this roof, we have multiple damaged shingles on multiple planes, including a couple right up here on the ridge. Now I'm going to take you to another spot over here and show you what is not storm damage. So when we're up here, if you look around this chimney, you'll see things are raised up. Right? There is leaking and water getting in, but that is not from storm damage. So there you have it, everybody. That is some examples of some storm damage. If you ever notice blown off shingles on your roof, or if you notice shingles that you see laying in your yard, I really encourage you. Your first call should be to an expert contractor like ourselves here at Kanga Roof, ones who know the process, know the right terminology, and will help guide you through that process. So the next time you see something laying in your yard, hop to it. Give us a call. We cannot wait to come out and help you and hopefully put on a new roof or repair what's up there to get you back to whole. Thanks so much. Have a great day.